Starting a YouTube channel isn't the hardest part. It's following through that's difficult. You start out with all the energy and effort needed, then months later you're burned out and wondering when to call it quits. If you feel like giving up on your YouTube channel, here are a few things you should consider first. Why do you want to give up? Let's say, for example, you started your YouTube channel wanting to monetize and grow an audience. You have been uploading videos and promoting your videos, but you're not seeing the views you want, nor is your subscribers growing the pace you want. Is it time to give up? Hell no. Yes, there are some YouTubers that hit big with their YouTube channel within the first 6 months, but there are also YouTubers who have made it even bigger by not giving up. You need to figure out why your channel is not getting views or subscribers. Here are a few questions to get you started. How long do viewers watch your video? If viewers don't even watch 30% of your videos in length, then you need to figure out why. After all, you spend hours creating a video and you want the viewer to watch most of your video. I created a video previously on how to increase YouTube video retention. Follow those steps and get more watch time on your videos. Which video is getting you the most subscribers? All these and more you can find out by looking at your YouTube analytics. What is it about that video that gets you the YouTube subscribers? Is it the type of content, the visual, the topic? Try creating more videos similar to that video. The easiest way to get views without having to make an effort is to let YouTube promote your videos. Are your videos ranking in YouTube search results? I have created videos in the past giving step-by-step details. Watch those videos in case you missed them to get your videos ranked on the first page of YouTube. You started for a reason, right? I know all too well what it feels like to have everything stacked up around you, bills, people depending on you, and time counting down. All that isn't the reason you started. Why did you start your YouTube channel? Did you do it to get out of your current situation, to help people, or maybe you want to change the world? Think back as to why you started and let that thought guide, motivate, and drive you to your goal. If you feel like giving up, just come back to that moment of why you started your YouTube channel in the first place. Everyone gets down at times and no one is perfect. But you can control your thoughts. Remember, how you think is what makes your reality.